Hello, my name is Josh Stevens, Head Geek and VP of Technology with SolarWinds. This video will demonstrate and discuss the SolarWinds Network Configuration Manager, NCM. NCM manages the configurations of network infrastructure devices like routers, switches, and firewalls. Managing includes standardizing the configurations, backing up the configurations, making configuration changes, inventorying your devices, and integration within your overall management strategy. When it comes to standardizing the configurations within NCM, it's very important to be able to compare the configurations you have on your devices with any known requirements you have, forward policy or compliance, and with any internal requirements you might have in that same area. For many publicly traded organizations, they're concerned about Sarbanes-Oxley and whether configurations comply with SOX. For hospital and medical organizations, they're concerned about HIPAA. And for government organizations, they might be concerned about FISMA or DISA-STIG. Either way, NCM makes it very easy to audit your configurations to make sure that they're compliant with these standards, and then validate your compliance through automated reporting, and of course to remediate any compliance issues that we find within NCM. NCM also makes it very easy to back up all of your configurations, both on an automated basis. In other words, it can back up all of your configurations at a standard time, maybe during the evening for instance, or right before you make a configuration change, which is always a good time to back up your configurations. NCM shows you reports to tell you how many of your devices have not been backed up. And it also allows you to view change reports to see what's different from the currently running config versus the last backup. Keep in mind that NCM allows you to roll back configurations. So if you see that a change has been made that you don't agree with, you can roll back to the previous known good configuration. NCM also includes the ability to do configuration changes. Making changes via CLI is quite difficult. NCM simplifies these configuration changes by allowing you to make the changes through a wizard-like interface that we call our config change templates. NCM also allows you the ability to do automated bulk changes. So for instance, if you wanted to change an access list on all of your devices tonight at 2 a.m., NCM would do that for you without you having to be there at the office. NCM also includes the ability for you to do change approval for configuration changes. For instance, you might have a junior engineer who needs to request a configuration change to update an access list. They would then submit their change, and as a manager you could go and view the change, read the notes, and approve it, and the change would then be made by Network Configuration Manager. The Network Configuration Manager also does real-time change detection, which means that if someone logs in tonight to change the configuration on one of your routers, it will notify you in real time that someone made the change, who made the change, what change they made, and give you the ability to roll back that change if necessary. One of the other things that many people use NCM for is for inventory management. NCM does an automated discovery so that you can know that the inventory within NCM can be trusted, and it's always up to date with the latest information about your router, switches, and firewalls. Inventory reporting is made easy through our reporting interface, and you can also use NCM to validate and update your maintenance on your devices, for instance with Cisco SmartNet. Last but not least, EMA did a recent study that proved that over 80% of network outages are caused by configuration error. NCM makes it very easy to integrate configuration management data, like the last known configuration changes to your devices, within your overall management strategy, so that when you see that an issue has occurred on the network or a device is down or not performing correctly, it's easy to drill down and see what changed on that device that might be impacting its performance or its functionality. The integration of configuration management data within your overall network management strategy is an important aspect of how you manage your networks, and NCM easily integrates into the Network Performance Monitor, the SolarWinds Network Performance Management application for network devices. Again, this has been Josh Stevens, VP of Technology at SolarWinds, discussing and demonstrating the SolarWinds Network Configuration Manager. As always, you can go to SolarWinds.com to download your own free trial of the Network Configuration Manager. Try it for yourself, have it up and running in under an hour.